Hindi ito malakihang project. Tama po ba yung pagkaintindi ko? Immediate relief lang po.
Tama po.
So tagpi-tagpi na naman tayo, patsi-patsi na naman.
Nandiyan na po yung master plan for Metro Manila and this is the basic master plan.
I'm sorry, Secretary. I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman. This year's NEP, nakita ko yung, I think it's with MMDA o sa DPWH. There's a feasibility study of 15 million for the master plan.
23.
No, the 23 billion is for the entire DPWH.
Yes po.
But there's a particular feasibility study, and I think si GM Lipana made that statement, if I recall, that you submitted, and now it's part of the NEP, and it's 15 million. So kung ano po yun? Ano po yung feasibility na yun? Tapos meron na pala?
Let me just clarify lang po yung...
That's the reason why I think Senator Jaime and I are very interested in ensuring that we know what we're doing. No? Kasi when I mentioned it, look at them. They're confused. They don't know. It appears that they don't know whether or not it's coordinated with DPWH. So is it the same? Because you were saying you're trying to implement, Secretary, a master plan, or there is already a master plan for Metro Manila,
Yes, there is a master plan. for
and they
Metro.
are coming up with a feasibility study of a master plan this year in the NEP.
Well, you would not...
MMDA.
Oh, sige, MMDA, you may respond.
No, wala po kaming request na 15 million. Ang pinag-uusapan po namin ng DPWH ay yung proposal under World Bank Metro Manila Flood Management Project na comprehensive drainage master plan, Mr. Chair. Yun po yung para aralin lahat po ng drainage system sa buong Metro Manila para nga po integrated yung level po niya, yung width, hindi po yung tulad ng sinasabi nga po kanina na dito malapad, pagdating sa kabilang karsada maliit. Yun po yung nire-request namin, Mr. Chair.
It's not under MMDA, Mr. Chairman. It's under DPWH flood control for feasibility Manila region, Manila Bay region.
Let me clarify a little bit on this, if this is in the budget of the department po. I think if you are going to implement a master plan is only identifying what are the components that would be included into the master plan. Now, how to operationalize these projects that are identified in the master plan, this will take, actually yung sinasabi nga natin, we have to do the feasibility study, we have to do the detailed engineering design, and we have to discuss the financing program from the lending institution before we can implement it. So these are the processes that we need to undertake. And siguro if there is a funding requirement that we need to undertake the feasibility studies of the components that have been already identified in the master plan, kailangan po natin gawin as a requirement for the financing program from the lending institutions.
Mr. Chair, point of information lang very quickly. Yes, very quickly lang po. You explained that the 5,500 projects were for immediate relief. Ang ibig ba sabihin yan, tigmaliliit itong mga project na to. Hindi ito malakihang project. Tama po ba yung pagkaintindi ko? Immediate relief lang po.
Tama po.
So tagpi-tagpi na naman tayo, patsi-patsi na naman.
Tama.
At yung sinasabi ninyo, binabanggit ninyo na may lending institutions, hindi po ba tama na sa 2024 NEP, tinanggal, siniro ang lahat ng foreign assisted projects na malakihan, higit sa lahat sa flood control. Tama po ba?
Tama po. Yeah.
At nasa unprogrammed fund na lamang ng 2024 GAA itong mga flood control na may utang nakatapat sa ibang bansa. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor. And it was the same situation in 2023.
In 2023, ganon din, na zero lahat ng malakihang project. So ang sinasabi po ninyo, ang maaasahan lang ng Pilipino, ng buong sambayanan, itong tagpi-tagpi, patse-patse, tingi-tingi, na magbibigay ng immediate relief sana, ngunit yung malakihan, malawakang flood control ay wala na. Ganon po ba? Nakakalugmok po eh.
Mr. Chairman, if before we because are we letting go of the presentation?
The presentation, kung
Yeah, because-
halos yun din ang ipipresent
Yes, this is in relation to what the Secretary presented last year.
Okay.
And last year, if you would recall, Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, I can play the video because Secretary Bonoan told this committee last year when he faced this committee that there is a game-changing program. Okay, thank you. On flood control master plan. Can we show the video? Kasi po tama po kayo, itong 18 major river basins, gusto rin sana namin makakuha ng update kung ano na po yung kalagayan nito, pero this representation is very much interested dun po sa sinabi nyo na game changer, yung floodway na inyong binanggit.
Saan yung secretary, yung floodway na yan?
Yes, perhaps
mga staff ko.
it is in we're referring actually, Your Honor, yung Central Luzon,
I think it's a 60 kilometers. if I'm not
Central Luzon
mistaken.
floodway project.
Yes. Kasi Mr. Chairman, when you made mention about it, a few weeks later, during the budget deliberation, we asked NEDA, we asked the DBCC. They were surprised, Mr. Secretary. Sabi po nila, wala akong
Status.
approved,
Status.
proposed study about it. So they were surprised. So can you imagine our dismay, especially this representation's dismay, na wala po yun, no? And then I look at the NEP again for this year. For this year, na kung saan meron po tayong umatikabong 1 billion a day ulit na flood control programs. Pero wala din po ito, Mr. Chair. So may we know, Secretary, if because you gave us so much hope last year, Secretary. You gave me so much hope. My people in Bulacan, some of our kababayans in Central Luzon. And now we're stuck again, or are we going back again to zero, to letter A again, Mr.
You
Secretary?
may answer, Secretary.
Your Honor, I think we're referring to the Central Luzon floodway project, and this is what we were saying, that the project will involve actually a retention basin in San Antonio Swamp, and we will construct a floodway of about 60 kilometers from that end to the status of this project, Your Honor, is now the review of the feasibility study ongoing and the detail engineering. Detail engineering na po ito, detail engineering of the project is now being undertaken, will be undertaken under the ADB financing program.
So where is the ball now, Secretary? Nasa DPWH po ba?
Yes,
Or-
opo.
Because I
we will-
remember again, Mr. Secretary, I just feel so disappointed with my staff kasi ipe-play lang po nila. Kayo rin yung nagsabi, we might be able to start this year. And that was last year, Mr. Secretary. Now it's still in the feasibility stage, although parang nasa latter
Detail
part na po.
Opo.
Tama po ba yun? So siguro tatanungin ko po ulit yung the same question I asked last year. Kailan ho kaya ito posible na mag-start po, Secretary? Yung totoo pong start. Kailangan ko po bang define yung start? So, siguro alam naman natin yung
The
start.
detail engineering design, I understand, and the timeline, Your Honor, will take another year because this is a big project.
Yes, another year. So
Another year.
2025.
2028.
Actual construction, mga
2027.
2027 na yung actual
27.
construction.
Wow.
Civil works po.
Kasi kayo, Secretary, last year, we would probably start next year. Ayan po, finally, nandiyan na yung video. Baka pwede pong i-play.
Sige nga, pakiplay yung video.
The Central Luzon Pampanga River floodway and San Antonio River, San Antonio Swamp Ring Dike, Your Honor. This will be the major project that will actually we think will be able to contribute significantly to
Hindi ho umabot dun sa...
the Central Luzon Pampanga River floodway and San Antonio River, San Antonio Swamp Ring Dike, Your Honor. This will be the major project that will actually we think will be able to contribute significantly to address the flooding problems in Bulacan and Pampanga.
So you have the timeline here when we will start?
By next year po siguro, we are hoping that we can start this project. This will be the major project in Central Luzon po.
Yeah,
Mr.
accounting,
Mr. Secretary,
Secretary.
you said by next year, you'll start by next year. So what happened?
We are preparing it.
So next year,
Your Honor.
this year yan.
Yes, it's
Okay.
now
And now it's
po.
2027,
It's ongoing.
Secretary.
So the timeline, it will take.
Wala naman nung pandemic siguro nang nangyari between last year and this year.
Well, I think the process lang po kasi, the process of doing the detail in design for this type of mega projects takes time because we have to go on ground na po ito eh.
Sige, Secretary.
I just wanted to... Sabi ni Senator Amy, tapos isisiro daw yung foreign assisted. So, hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung mapifeel natin, Secretary. Magkaibigan naman tayo, Secretary, and I know you share my sentiment,
Absolutely.
Secretary. I have been a senator for more than 6 years now. And I have to correct my colleagues here in the Senate at correct myself as well when I said the same thing over and over again. Because everyone na kinausap ko nitong nakaraang Karina, ang lahat nagsasabi, mas worse. Yung dating hanggang bewang, lagpas tao na. Yung dating hindi binabaha, binabaha na. Hindi inaabot na bahay, binabaha na. So, I I don't know how else to say this, Mr. Chairman. Yung 5,500 pala na programs, projects na natapos na ipinagmalaki ng ating Pangulo noong SONA ay patsi-patsi lang. Hindi rin nakatulong, tingin ko, Mr. Chairman, hindi nakatulong kasi patsi-patsi nga po eh. Sana ang hiling ko na lang po ay kahit na hindi po masisimulan next year, makita po natin talaga yung master plan para po meron ding confidence yung mga kababayan natin that it's really moving, Secretary. Kasi kung titingnan nyo po from last year tsaka this year, baka walang magsabing nag-improve talaga sa amin and I'm speaking from personal experience. So again, Secretary, and I mentioned this yesterday, I don't see anyone who can lead DPWH other than you. We trust you. We trust you since last year and the day you assumed office. And sana huwag nyo kaming biguin, Secretary.
Secretary.
I can assure you, Your Honor, that we will put priority on this project. I've just been handed actually the documentations on this project already, Your Honor, and this will be the basis for us to pursue this project. Yeah.
Secretary, do you have any idea magkano ba ang kakailanganing pondo para hindi to maging patsi-patsi? Kung talagang popondahan mo, for example, para masolve ang problema in Bulacan, for example, magkano ang pera ng gobyerno ang kailangang gastusin para masolve ang problema dyan sa baha? Do you have any idea?
On a project-to-project basis, siguro, Your Honor.
So talagang magpapatsi-patsi pag gano'n?
I think, let's say,
Kasi kung halimbawa,
for this project,
200 billion, 300 billion, gano'n?
for this project alone, it will cost 130 billion
130 billion
Yes.
for that.
for this project alone.
Chairman? Mr. Chairman? Mr. Chairman, siguro just to manage then our expectations, Secretary, kasi parang nabanggit nyo, for the master plan, feasibility study, parang it takes one presidency
Yeah.
to finish it.
Absolutely.
Tama po ba? And then it's the next presidency who will implement the project. So I guess babalik tayo, Mr. Chairman, dun sa konsepto ng continuity. Kasi meron din ho tayong maling ugali na tuwing nagpapalit ng Pangulo, nagpapalit din ng proyekto. So kaya nga parang lumalabas, paulit-ulit ho yung plano kasi tuwing nagpapalit ng Pangulo, nagpapalit din ng plano. 'Di ba ho? Kasi katulad nga na nabanggit ko kanina, nung 2013, meron na nga tayong master plan for flood management in Metro Manila. So hindi ho natin alam, nasunod ba ho tong plano na to? Because this plan would take 20 years. So siguro, natuloy ho ba tong plano na to? Or pagkatapos ho ba nung Pinoy presidency, nabago ho ba ang plano nung Duterte presidency up to ngayong Marcos presidency? Natuloy ho ba?
Your Honor, tuloy-tuloy po yung master plan for Metro Manila.
So ito ho na i-implement.
Yes po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.